Kuya, takutin mga tong anak ko. Sobrang kulit.
Gusto mo kainin ko mama mo?
Sige anak, kulitin mo pa si kuya.
I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and
Tome.
Yeah.
Yesterday ba? You are off your live. It said the host will come back soon. And then it's end your live and then you end your messenger off. What are you doing? You give time to all katulpilar?
I figured you would say that. I really did. I figured you would go there.
You really did. You really did. You off your messenger, you off your live. And I cannot contact you anymore. You give your time to katulpilar?
Oh, ikaw pala ang bago? Yay! Mukha ka namang luma.
Gago! Ayaw ko nang pakasalan ka.
Ngayon ayaw mo? Dahil mayaman ka na? Nakalimutan mo bang ninakaw ko pa pera ng magulang ko para lang may pangpuhunan ka?
Yun na nga. Ayaw kong pakasalan ng magnanakaw.